start, I would like to present acknowledgement of Mayor April Aguilar, our Congressman Mark Anthony Santos, our President, Sir Jeremita, and of course to our Director, Sir Richie Pamo, and to all the officials who are present. Good afternoon to everyone. It's my great honor and a deeply personal moment for me to stand before you today for the grand launching of National University Las Piñas. As someone who once walked the halls of the main campus, this moment hits close to home. This university was more than just a place of education. For me, it was where I learned discipline, teamwork, and perseverance. This university taught me how to lead, how to work hard, how to stay grounded, and how to keep pushing even when the things get tough. Today marks a new beginning, a fresh chapter in the journey of this incredible institution that's something to celebrate. It's not just a new building, it's a new beginning for hundreds and thousands of students who will learn, grow, and dream. To the people who made this possible, congratulations. Expanding the university means expanding opportunities. What you are building here will impact lives for generations to come. So here's to the new campus. May it carry forward the legacy, the spirit, and the excellence that National University has always stood for. Thank you for letting me be a part of this special day. As a former member of the NU Bulldogs men's basketball team, it is truly an honor to come here and see how far it has come and how it continues to grow. Congratulations once again, and I'm proud to be part of this amazing community. As Sir Hans would always say, once a Bulldog, always a Bulldog. Maraming salamat po and all the best to everyone. Go Bulldogs!
Kami, sobrang happy kami na nakabalik kami ulit dito and invite kami for opening ng NU Las Piñas. And congratulations for the opening ng NU again. Okay, now let us call Press RJ again and XD Richie and Butch for a photo opportunity.
Thank you so much. Question?
Nasa gitnang yun. Thank you so much.
Congrats po sa Las Piñas branch. And yun tayo. At madami pa. Madami pa. Ngayon yung lilita. Okay, ano masasabi nyo?
Sa akin naman, sabi ko, thank you kasi nag-open yung NU Las Piñas. Maraming naman opportunity dito na lalo na mga bata na mga mag-aaral sa NU.
Okay, let us call again. Press RJ and XD Rich